I'm a whipping. Oh wow. Okay, well, very tough. Thanks. It's a lot harder than you think, I guess.
Alright, go when you're ready.
Okay, we got it. Is this you or is okay?
Alright, we're gonna stop here for a second.
Okay.
So what happened out there?
That was a lot. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
What was your experience like?
I felt like I had no control over the car.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what you just experienced was almost like you were trapped inside the body of a drunk driver.
Okay.
And so all this car did was delay your reflexes.
Okay.
It was all your steering, braking, acceleration. The only thing that happened is when you're impaired, it just delayed it by 1.5 seconds. Just that tiny amount as you're going, not really faster on this course, just that tiny amount makes such a huge difference.
Yeah, that's crazy.
When you're driving, how important is your reflexes?
Very.
Yeah. And so that's what alcohol does to the central nervous system.
Yeah.
It delays those reflexes. It causes a disaster.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, that's crazy.
All right. So how do we prevent such a situation?
Let's not drink and drive.
All right.